Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad X1 Carbon, and in this video I will show you where to find the warranty status of your laptop. So in order to find this device's warranty status, we'll first need to know its serial number, which is located on the back side of your laptop. So let me show it to you. It's right here. I hope you can read it. Next to SN abbreviation. And once you find it, write it down or take a picture of it, or remember it if you have a good memory. And once you're done, you can open a web browser and look up Lenovo check warranty. Down below you'll find a local website. I'm gonna translate it so that you can read it. And right here on this page, support.lenovo.com, warranty lookup, select PC, then right here open, enter your serial number. In my case it's PF1VZY and 2 zeros. I hope it's zeros. And click check, and here you'll be able to find your warranty status. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.